Welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling with stubborn belly fat, low energy, or a lack of motivation to stay active, then today's video is going to be an absolute game changer for you. This isn't just another workout video. This is a complete full-body fat loss and lifestyle transformation guide designed to help you burn calories efficiently, strengthen every major muscle in your body, and create sustainable habits that will improve your health for life. Today, I will take you through a step-by-step plan, including full-body exercises, explanations of why each movement is important, what can go wrong if you skip them, and how to perform them safely. On top of that, I'll give you lifestyle and nutrition tips that are essential for long-term fat loss. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to burn fat faster, tone your muscles, and improve your overall fitness, so you can take full control of your health and feel confident in your body. So grab a water bottle, find a comfortable space, and let's begin your journey to a stronger, healthier, and more energetic version of you. Before we dive into the exercises, we need to warm up the body properly. A proper warm-up is critical not just for performance, but also to prevent injuries. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, including jogging in place, arm swings, hip rotations, and torso twists. Spend about 30 seconds on each movement. This process increases blood flow to your muscles, activates your joints, and boosts your metabolism right from the start. Skipping warm-up can cause stiff muscles, cramps, and reduce the effectiveness of your workout. Remember, even a short warm-up primes your body for maximum fat burn and performance. Once you're warmed up, we start with jumping jacks, a classic yet highly effective full-body exercise. Perform 20 to 30 seconds of jumping jacks to get your heart rate elevated and your metabolism fired up. Jumping jacks not only burn calories, but also activate multiple muscles in the arms, legs, and core. Skipping cardio activation like this can slow down your fat loss process and reduce overall workout efficiency. Next, we move into squats, one of the most fundamental and effective lower body exercises. Stand shoulder width apart, sit back as if you are going to sit in a chair, and then push through your heels to stand up. Perform 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets. Squats engage your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core while increasing calorie expenditure. They also help regulate hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, which aid in fat loss. Ignoring squats can result in weak legs, knee issues, poor balance, and a slower metabolism. After squats, it's time for high knees. Stand in place and bring your knees up toward your chest as quickly as possible, keeping your chest lifted. Perform this for 30 seconds. High knees help burn belly fat, improve cardiovascular endurance, and activate your core muscles. Skipping this high-intensity movement can limit your calorie burn and leave your core understimulated. Now let's strengthen the upper body with push-ups. Perform 8 to 12 controlled push-ups, keeping your core tight. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They also improve posture and upper body stability. Avoiding push-ups can lead to a weak upper body, slouched posture, and potential shoulder imbalances over time. We then move to mountain climbers, one of the most effective exercises for fat burning and core activation. Get into a plank position and drive your knees toward your chest as fast as possible for 30 seconds. Mountain climbers target your abs, lower belly fat, and also give your cardiovascular system a strong workout. Missing this exercise means your lower belly will stay underdeveloped and your core won't burn as many calories. Next, we perform lunges to strengthen the legs and improve balance. Step forward with one leg, bend both knees at about 90 degrees, and push back to standing. Perform 10 reps per leg for 3 sets. Lunges strengthen your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, while also enhancing stability and coordination. Skipping lunges can lead to weak glutes, poor balance, and underdeveloped lower body muscles. Then we move to burpees, the ultimate full-body fat-burning exercise. Perform 6 to 10 reps with proper form. Burpees engage your entire body, raise your heart rate instantly, and provide one of the most efficient calorie-burning movements in a short time. They also improve stamina and endurance. Ignoring burpees reduces your ability to burn fat quickly and limits full-body strength development. Following burpees, we strengthen the core with a plank hold. Hold a forearm plank for 20 to 40 seconds, keeping your core tight, hips level, and spine neutral. Planks build a strong core, improve posture, and reduce the risk of lower back pain. Neglecting core training can lead to belly fat retention, weak core stability, and increased risk of injury in daily life or during workouts. Next, perform glute bridges. Lie on your back with knees bent, lift your hips toward the ceiling, and squeeze your glutes at the top. Perform 15 reps. This exercise strengthens your glutes, lower back, and core while improving posture and balance. Skipping glute bridges may leave your lower back unsupported and glutes underdeveloped, which can impact posture and athletic performance. For metabolic boost and agility, perform fast feet for 20 seconds. Rapidly tap your feet in place as if running on the spot. This improves reaction time, enhances calorie burn, and keeps your heart rate elevated. Skipping fast feet reduces overall cardio efficiency and slows fat loss results. Next, target the lower belly with reverse crunches. Lie down, lift your legs, and bring your knees toward your chest while engaging your core. Perform 12 to 15 reps. Reverse crunches strengthen your lower abs and help tackle stubborn belly fat. Skipping this exercise means your lower abdominal muscles will remain weak. Slowing fat loss results in that area. After the intense workout, it's important to perform a cool down and full body stretching session. Stretch your arms, legs, shoulders, and lower back for 20 to 30 seconds each. Stretching helps prevent injuries, improves recovery, and reduces delayed onset muscle soreness. Neglecting cool down stretches can lead to tight muscles, limited flexibility, and longer recovery times. Remember, fat loss isn't just about exercise. It's about lifestyle changes. Drink 2.5 to 3 liters of water daily to stay hydrated. Include protein in every meal to support muscle repair. Avoid sugary drinks. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours a night. Walk 8 to 10,000 steps daily. Reduce stress. And focus on whole foods while avoiding ultra-processed snacks. Ignoring these lifestyle habits will slow your fat loss progress, cause belly fat retention, lower your energy, destabilize mood, and even disrupt hormonal balance. Remember, your workouts provide about 30% of the results, while your lifestyle contributes the other 70%. Consistency beats perfection. You don't have to be the strongest, fastest, or fittest. You only need to show up every day and give your best effort. This journey is about becoming healthier, happier, and more confident in your own skin. You can do this. Start today, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you for it. If you found this full body fat loss workout and transformation guide helpful, make sure to like this video, comment below about what topics you want me to cover next, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more effective fitness routines. Thank you so much for watching. Stay strong, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.